west of Interstate 39 in northwest Illinois. You need to be on the lookout for this. This is going to be coming through. Once this pushes through the Quad Cities, northwest Illinois, west of Interstate 39 is up next. You're welcome there, Alex. Brendan, appreciate you gifting memberships. Thank you so much. Benny, are you saying, Benny, you're in Walcott? This is just about to hit right into Walcott, the Iowa 80 truck stop. Literally about to get hammered by this coming through. See if they extend. We'll see if they extend any of these tornado warnings here. Definitely still seeing, as we kind of zoom in on this, this area here just west of Bennett, or over Bennett, basically. This has definitely got tornado circulation, rotation potential here. Let's see where else. Kind of west of, or just east of Mechanicsville along Route 30. Another spot. Maybe just west-northwest of Cascade. But definitely the most notable one I see right now is near Bennett here. Angel, that's a very good reminder around the straight line winds. I think lots of times folks focus more so on if there's a tornado warning, and actually there it is, new tornado warning just issued. Coming through right now, and it's for exactly what I was just talking about. So right there, as soon as this comes through, I'll read off the full deal on it. But basically, tornado warning from Bennett. Yeah, there it is.
There is one new tornado warning for Iowa.
Okay, so this is tornado warning area that we were just talking about here. So this is southwestern Jackson, northeastern Cedar, northwestern Scott, southeastern Jones, western Clinton. This is till 8:30.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Illinois and Iowa.
I'll get to that warning in a second. This is till 8:30. Same thing here. They're basically capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage from near Mechanicsville to Tipton to Sunbury, moving northeast at 30. Tornado, quarter-size hail, and extensive straight-line wind damage are all the threat here on this. Some of the towns noted: Stanwood, Loudon.
There is one new special marine warning.
Clarence, Dixon, New Liberty, Big Rock, Camp Liberty, and Bennett Park. Wheatland, Sherman Park. Also noted Oxford Junction, Toronto, Oxford Mills, Hale, Walnut Grove Park. Other locations noted: Grand Mound, Lost Nation, Monmouth, Lyons, Eden Valley Refuge, Baldwin, and Elwood. And it notes this storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Seek shelter now. So, as we've been saying all the way through here. So again, those areas here, there's really now, as I look at it, two, and then actually it's harder to see because there's a little bit of clutter here going on the radar, but wouldn't be surprised to see a tornado warning issued just south of this one in the Walcott, Maysville.